Hello, Unified Bowlers. Wanted to take a special minute here to recognize all the seniors that have been a part of our Unified Bowling program. Love all of you. You've made a huge impact on me and the students and athletes that you work with. Very impressed by all of you, and you've really set the bar high for others that are going to be part of this program. Um, with that said, I want to mention the seniors. You guys are special. I'm sad that this last quarter hasn't gone the way you wanted, but as I know you guys, you'll adapt and you'll put it behind you and you'll learn from it and stay positive like you always do. Um, so the seniors on our unified bowling team include Jesse and Cindy and Thomas and Taylor, Cole, Emily, and Anna. You guys led the way for us, and we had a great season. Every meet, it seemed like we got a little bit better, and by the end, we were really rolling. We had uh, some scores that were crazy. We had some that were in the 150s, 160s, and that's better than I think we've ever done. But mostly, I just appreciate your willing spirit to work with everybody and to to bridge these opportunities for everybody and make them happen for everybody. Because I know the bus rides and the meals we ate after the events, those are good times, and I really appreciate it. So best of luck to all of you. Thanks for everything you've done for us. And if there's anything I can ever do for you, you let me know.